Laws of radicals. Recall that the radical nth root a is the positive nth root of a for any positive n and a positive rational number a. If nth root a and nth root b are two radicals of the same order, namely n, then nth root a into nth root b equal to nth root ab. If nth root a comma nth root b are the radicals of the same order, then nth root a by nth root b equal to nth root of a by b. If m and n are positive integers, then for a positive rational number a, m root of nth root of a equal to mn root of a equal to nth root of mth root of a. If m comma n are positive integers, then for a positive rational number a, nth root of a to the power of p equal to nth root of mth root of a to the power of p to the power of m equal to mn root of a to the power of pm.